This is Three Rivers, Michigan after the tornado came through. Debris everywhere. Helicopters. I don't even know whose helicopter that is. Lots of destruction all over the place. Utility workers trying to get the lights on, generators. Just lots and lots of destruction. Wires still down in the road, over the road. Debris up in the power lines. Just so much devastation. It is absolutely terrible. I'm gonna stay out of everyone's way and kind of walk over here a little bit. Again, please stay out of everyone's way. They're just trying to help everyone as fast as they can. Lots of destruction in Three Rivers, Michigan. This is the same tornado producing cell with multiple lifts and drops of the same tornado likely. Just lots. People trying to get tarps up because of the rain. Helicopters surveying. So again, I parked out of the way and I'm walking and just getting wet in the rain because I don't want to get in anyone's way. But look at this, absolutely terrible. Old historic Victorian home totally lost its roof. Just absolutely terrible. So much destruction. You can see cracks in the siding from where debris hit the building and absolutely just broke the old wooden siding. And this is really close to downtown. I mean, downtown is right there. This was in a terrible spot for this kind of damage. Wow. Just absolutely wow. Go take a look over here quick. Railroad signals down, trees down, destruction all along the train tracks. Absolutely crazy. And just more destruction over here. Go take a walk up here for you. Crazy. Wow. This is going to be talked about for generations. Preliminary estimates are coming in at EF-3. Myself and other meteorologists and storm chasers will be checking the records, but this might be the earliest tornado that's been this destructive this early in the season. This happened on March 6th, 2026. Today is March 7th, and it's just very much in a assessing mode right now. I don't know if these trees were brought here or if they landed here in the middle of this parking lot. This is a boat launch. Or canoe launch, I guess I should say. Because we're on a river. But yeah, you got the canoe place over there. Missing all the tops of the trees. Picnic tables crushed. You can see downtown there in the distance. The water's running really high because of all the rain. Tree down over this little road here. The tornado went right across the river. Look at all the debris in the river. This will be floating downstream for a while. Wow.